Today we are gonna talk about a super important topic, often overlooked. I've never seen anyone on YouTube talking about this specific thing for GoHighLevel websites, and I'm talking about accessibility compliance in web design. Specifically, we are gonna talk about how to use custom CSS to respect user preferences for reduced motion in our GoHighLevel websites. And if you are building websites for clients, this is a game changer for accessibility. So why does this even matter? Well, some users might experience motion sensitivity, and excessive animations or background videos that cannot be paused or parallax effects can be uncomfortable for them or even triggering. And that's why browsers offer a setting called prefers reduced motion, which we as GoHighLevel web designers can respect using custom CSS. Basically, most operating systems allow users to reduce motion in their system settings, and if enabled, browsers such as Google Chrome can detect this and apply website styling accordingly. So I'm gonna show you a really important thing to implement in your website to check for this preference and adjust your animation and videos accordingly. So let's take this simple website as an example. I just created this. I know it's ugly, but it doesn't matter. I just want to emphasize some things. So this website has a simple hero section with a headline, and the background is a video. You know, videos as backgrounds look really cool. They give the website a sense of perspective, and all in all they make a website look 10 times better than just a simple color or a gradient or even a simple image. But the problem with a video background is that it cannot be paused. It doesn't have a pause button, it doesn't have, I don't know, a close button or anything like that. So people who experience motion sensitivity might be affected by this, and you or even your clients can be in big trouble because you don't comply with accessibility regulations, right? And a very small fix would be to add a small button somewhere to just pause the video, or you can use this CSS feature that I'm about to show you right now. First thing you need to understand is how to emulate that prefers reduced motion behavior in your browser. So if you're using Google Chrome, you just go to the rendering tab. If you don't have it here, click on this 3-dot menu and then rendering down here, and then scroll until you find this option, emulate CSS media feature prefers reduced motion, and the default value is no emulation, and you can click on prefers reduced motion reduce to emulate this behavior. And as you can see, nothing changes on your website, and this is something that we need to address. So let's hop into the GoHighLevel website builder and show you exactly how to adjust this. As you can see, we have a section with a video background and a small headline here, and we need to go into the custom CSS section and add these things, right? Let's start with a very simple one for now. Media prefers reduce motion reduce, and inside this we are gonna change the visibility of our video to hidden, and also we are gonna apply a gradient background to our section. As you can see, I used this custom class test. If we click save, we go into the section advanced tab, and as you can see, we have a custom class called test. Now if we click save, remember, when the user has that prefers reduced motion behavior enabled, our video will be hidden and the section will have a different background. So let's start with no emulation because we want to actually see the video, right? Ignore this for now. As you can see, we still have our video background here, and if we enable this prefers reduced motion feature, then our video disappears and is replaced by another image or a gradient in this case, or something else, right? And you can go back to no emulation, and as you can see, the video is back on. So if someone who experiences motion sensitivity comes on your website and they have that feature enabled on their operating system, then the browser will also turn this feature on and they will not be able to see the video, right? So nothing will move in the background, so it's easier for them to navigate your website. The next thing which I added earlier, as you can see, we have this error here. I added this, right? And this basically turns off all the animations, all the transitions on your website, right? We click save and click save once again, and let's go into the website and show you exactly what I'm talking about. As you can see, let's start with no emulation. As you can see, we have a carousel here. Maybe you want to display past clients or a gallery or logos of different businesses or whatever you want to display here. This animation cannot be stopped, it cannot be paused. So again, if someone who experiences motion sensitivity comes on your website, this can be uncomfortable for them. So by implementing the custom code that I just shown you, if we emulate prefers reduced motion, as you can see, the animation stops and also the video changes to a picture. So this is much better, and basically your website is on its way to be compliant with accessibility regulations. This is just one small aspect in regards to accessibility, but in my opinion is very important, and it's just a simple thing to add. It's not that complex, right? Just a few lines of custom code that can improve the overall experience for all users that come on your website. Plus, it's a game changer for your clients as well. This is a very simple website, but if you're interested about how to create a really cool website in GoHighLevel, watch this video.